We are doing another new one today. We are checking out Lyodra, Andi Rianto doing song Dewi. Sorry about saying everything wrong. I'm pretty sure I did. I don't know, something new. Can't wait to check it out from the look of the screen, thumbnail stuff. I see some violins and stuff. So classical-ish, different language. Not really sure what to expect. Never heard of this song or the people, so we are going to jump right in to the action. So here we go.
Walaupun jiwaku pernah terluka hingga nyaris bunuh diri, wanita mana yang sanggup hidup sendiri di dunia ini? Walaupun telah ku tutup mata hati bagi
at the end. Or out. Whatever. Pretty cool. This sounds like a song that would be in like a movie. I bet this song was in a movie. I really enjoyed it. It was great. It's like an epic, just, you know what I'm saying? It's the motion going it just seems like it's a movie song. Definitely have to be from a movie. Or not, then it's gonna be in a movie. I really liked it. That was awesome. If you guys got any more suggestions, you can throw all those in the comment section. Some more of this, something else, whatever you can think of. We'll check it out. I read everything. I answer everyone back. Let's do it. And hit the like button if you want. If not, it's fine. I'm gonna get out of here. I'll catch everyone later. Peace out.